Hi!
Ukrainian Atackms strike Russian military facility near Luhansk airfield. A Russian military facility near the Luhansk airfield was hit by U.S.-supplied Ukrainian Atackms long-range missiles. The strike targeted a key Russian military base in Luhansk, reportedly using the advanced Atackms missile system, as confirmed by satellite images from June 6th. Newly released satellite imagery reveals the extent of the damage. The targeted building shows considerable destruction. The strike highlights the increased precision and reach of Ukrainian forces, who have leveraged advanced military technology provided by NATO allies. Further details have emerged about the nature and impact of the attack. Ukrainian forces employed Atacms multiple launch rocket systems equipped with cluster warheads. The operation involved up to 12 missiles, some of which were intercepted by Russian air defenses. However, several missiles successfully penetrated, causing extensive damage. The aftermath of the attack has been devastating for the local infrastructure. Multi-story buildings on Vatutina and Budyani streets suffered significant damage, with one high-rise experiencing a stairwell collapse. A private enterprise building and the Luhansk Institute of Mechanical Engineering were also hit. Every instance of Russian military bases burning in occupied territories is seen as a step towards the liberation of these regions. The Ukrainian military's strategy of precise and impactful strikes aims to weaken the occupying forces and reclaim their territory. The ongoing conflict underscores the need for patience, trust, and continued support for the Ukrainian army. The path to liberation is arduous and requires meticulous preparation. Only after such preparations can Ukrainian soldiers confidently advance to reclaim their land. The strike on the Luhansk military facility is a stark reminder of the evolving dynamics of the conflict. As Ukrainian forces continue to receive international support, their capabilities and resolve are strengthened, bringing the goal of liberation ever closer. Ukraine dramatically changed its tactics after the U.S. allowed it to hit the front line of the Russian Federation with its missiles, writes the Bild. Currently, as soon as the armed forces discover an important target in the Belgorod and Kursk regions, they open fire with Western high-tech weapons, primarily HIMARS missiles. On June 2nd, 50 kilometers from the Ukrainian border, the Ukrainian military destroyed the most modern air defense system of the Russian Federation. A combined S-300, S-400 anti-aircraft missile complex worth from 300 to 500 million euros. Allegedly, the fighters of the armed forces of Ukraine, with the help of Western weapons, also hit the Russian command center east of Belgorod, a military warehouse in the border town of Shebekino, and a military convoy 50 kilometers from the border in the Kursk region. And near Ivanivka in the Kharkiv region, a Russian IFV exploded. The first Blyat bike spotted and hit. Russia. Retired Moscow judge Natalia Larina, who had previously arrested political action artist Pyotr Pavlensky, fell out of her apartment window. Before her death, she emptied her bank account, took out a loan, and sent nearly $20,000 to finance the Ukrainian military. The deputy chairman of the Call of the People movement, Anton Yegovtsev, known for writing denunciations against Russian celebrities, was stabbed to death in Moscow. If this is not an ordinary street brawl, then the situation is interesting. In recent years, especially after the start of a full-scale invasion, the Kremlin authorities have launched a real hunt for Russian celebrities, particularly those who have spoken out against the war. 37-year-old Yegovtsev was ambushed by his killer. His body was later found with multiple stab wounds. Peskov commented on whether Russia will hit French targets after Macron's decision to allow Kyiv to hit Russian ones. The president said what he said. Listen again, he answered the question. A great and sly comment of a Kremlin official that would fit anything Putin says.
Макрон еще разрешил удары по территории России французским оружием. Означает ли это, что мы можем разрешить по французским объектам удара, если учитывать то, что недавно сказал президент?
Ну, президент сказал то, что он сказал. Переслушайте, что сказал президент. Он ответил на вопрос.
Когда?
Он ответил на вопрос.
Attention, Germany! If we enter Berlin now, we won't leave it. The German political class's credit of trust is obviously exhausted, said Russian propagandist Solovyev.
Верховным главнокомандующим был Иосиф Виссарионович Сталин. И немцы получили ту войну, которую просили. Но Сталин их простил. И это была ошибка, как теперь выясняется. Выясняется, что самый неблагодарный из всех – это политический класс Германии. То есть они, видно, хотят, чтобы опять русский солдат вошел в Берлин. И я в очередной раз повторю эту мысль. Если теперь мы туда войдем, мы оттуда больше уже не выйдем. Кредит доверия немецкому политическому классу, очевидно, исчерпан.
The U.S. will soon announce a new $225 million aid package for Ukraine. The package will include Hawk missiles, HIMARS ammunition, likely more GMLRs and ATACMs, Stinger man pads, Javelin and AT-4S, 155 mm howitzers, armored vehicles, trailers, and patrol boats. 97-year-old World War II paratrooper vet returns to Normandy to recreate his D-Day jump.
You okay? We're okay. Nobody got hurt.
Bravo, guys. Bravo.
You look good. You look great. Yeah. Woo!
It's okay? Sam? Everything is okay?
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.